To make Trust Wallet activate, you need to download and install the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once the app is installed, open it and click on Create a new wallet. Then review and agree to the terms of service. You will be given a choice to either create a new wallet or import an existing one. Select Create a new wallet and follow the prompts to generate a new wallet address. You will be given a recovery phrase which is crucial to the security of your wallet, so make sure to write it down and store it in a safe place. After setting up your wallet, you will be taken to the main dashboard where you can view your wallet balance and transaction history. To activate your wallet and start using it to send and receive cryptocurrency, you will need to add funds to it. You can do this by tapping the Receive button and sharing your wallet address with the person sending you cryptocurrency. Alternatively, you can also purchase cryptocurrency directly from the Trust Wallet app using a credit or debit card. To ensure the security of your wallet, make sure to enable two-factor authentication and keep your recovery phrase safe. It is also a good idea to regularly back up your wallet and keep your app up to date with the latest security patches. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can make Trust Wallet activate and start using it to securely store and manage your cryptocurrency. Always be cautious when dealing with cryptocurrency and never share your recovery phrase or wallet address with anyone.